Hello, my name is Swiss Bianco. In this video I will talk about the Gerber 600 series. They make different models basically of the same system with that sliding pliers. You can one hand either shake it out or push it out. The oldest ones that I would not suggest don't have the locking tools, so as you fold out the tool, that part here gonna lock it. The older ones basically are like just having a spring that holds it in the open position but did not lock it, so those I would not suggest. Then you get it with different tools, also in silver or in black color, and we have also a version that has replaceable inserts for the plier here. You can take those out. Those are made out of hard material, especially for cutting wires. Really nice that material is stronger than regular pliers, but also that it is replaceable. And of course you get the model or the same basic design in minimum 2 sizes. This one is the bigger one, the full size. Then you get a smaller version as well, pretty much with the same or similar features. Why I'm gonna make that video is that many people unfortunately use cheap pliers or multi-tools that the quality unfortunately often is not there, not in a way. If you really need the thing, that would hold up pretty well. I did test out some examples in the past, and often the quality unfortunately is not there. Now the price on those Gerbers, brand new, are relatively expensive, but the good thing is those are plentiful, say on eBay. There, if you put in like Gerber pliers, you're gonna find plenty of deals. Like this one here, that was about $27 shipped with that great pouch. I added the olive green here and the orange because it was set up only for horizontal carry. I don't know exactly who made that pouch, but it's a great quality, quite likely from the US military, as they use the black version with the special wire cutter as well. So you can get those relatively simple and cheap, slightly more or less used on eBay, at least from time to time, and that is a great deal for somebody that needs something that works and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, because nowadays the brand new examples, say from Gerber or the other main brands, are relatively expensive. That is amazing. For a similar tool made in Switzerland, you pay a good $200 for it, and that is simply not something that I would use in a practical way. That is more something for the collection for me. What we have for tools in that one, just quick, we have a straight blade, a bottle opener, and a smaller screwdriver. We have a medium screwdriver, and we have the small screwdriver. All are flat. Then we have a metal file, metal saw. No, just metal file. It doesn't have it on the flat, on the small part, just on the flats. And this, worst case, you can use as a screwdriver too, but the length is a bit, it's better to use the smaller ones that are designed for it. Then we have a serrated edge blade. We have here, important, a lanyard hole, so if you are over water or somewhere where you may lose it, you can put on a paracord lanyard really easy. Then we have here the Phillips screwdriver, and at the end we have the can opener And again, each part that I just showed you locks into place. So you close the item up and then you use the can opener or the screwdriver or whatever you want to use. Then you slide that out, unlock, put it in, and done. So I use that system now for many years. Different variations. They have the big nose pliers. Those are the regular ones. I like those better, but the big fat ones are really sturdy. If you need to clamp something down, that may be something for you, for your application. So I use those for years, and for me, for the price and what they do, it's the best. So that much about the Gerber 600 series.